This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for November 29th, 2022. It's currently October 7th, 2022, 7:59 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior, guys, out of a decline, we have a notable move higher on a multi-day chart. This might stand out, but on a one-day chart, it'll stand out, the move higher out of a decline, and it's a move higher from the bottom of a range all the way to the top of a range. Not necessarily like the entire range of the one-day chart, but we'll go from a notable support all the way to a notable resistance. And it looks like we probably gap down, or not gap down, but we probably open lower in comparison to the prior day's close. The behavior around the high, we have a nullified worries card, so we decline from a support level to meet another support level and then rotate sideways along that support for a bit out of the high. However, that high is nullified, so it's somehow canceled out the behavior there, or the move to the high. Behavior around the low, we have a notable reversal out of a decline. There's a notable reversal pushing us from the bottom of the range, from the bottom of the day's low, up to the top of a range. And I'm advised to trade around a rally that offers an opportunity to open up a short position. In the pre-market, we have a move higher through resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then we have a full retracement back down through the same price level. At the open, there's a trade opportunity and a rally higher in the midst of a breakout. Eventually, in that first half hour, or let's say first hour and a half, we come to a resistance level. Let's say in that first half hour, we come to a resistance and we break down from that resistance with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down, meeting moving averages usually. And then between 10 and 11, we flatten out along a notable price level. I could notate that as the peace price level when we get there. We have a rally between roughly 11 and 12 along we have sideways fluctuations between 11 and 12 approximately, but with a bullish trend, and it precedes a decline. Bullish price swings midday, and then a period of volatility roughly from 1 to, let's say, into 3 o'clock. There's a fast sudden move higher in the midst of that volatility, giving what appears to be an end to it, but then there's some sort of fake out between 2 and 3, somewhere in there, some sort of fake out, or like a false high, or false something that's intended to draw misdirection. The last hour, we have from a crest selling down to and through a support level. We do a U-shaped kind of a reversal below that support level and then reuse the support. Their U-shaped dip right around the close, actually, and a trade opportunity around the close. It declined through multiple support levels in the post-market. Looks like we open higher. We open higher the following day, and there's a trade opportunity the following day. But the low for today, for the 29th, is a significant low on a multi-day chart. It would stand out. And it looks like we probably open significantly lower and have a low early in the morning, followed by a rally out of it. That's my sense. And I would look probably to position myself for on the short side, probably towards the end of the day, is my sense. That's the S&P 500 for November 29th, 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, if you share this video right now, it significantly increases the success of the channel. We need your help. Thank you for all your loyal support. And don't forget to follow that rule of karma, guys. Super important. Stack those karma chips. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please check out the video on our YouTube channel. It's a quick video explaining what the rule of karma is. Super important. Guys, I'll see you on the next one.